My name is Miles, and this is Make with Miles Maker Mondays. In this series, I'm going to be asking makers 3 different questions. What's your favorite tool? What's the first thing that you made? And what's one piece of advice for young makers? Let's go.
My favorite tool is, this is cheesy, but a pencil and paper, because you can solve probably 90% of the problems you're going to run into on a piece of paper before you ever do any work. The first thing I can remember making was a Star Wars ship out of Legos, because I didn't have all the different Star Wars ships that I wanted, so I just used Legos and made it, and that's the first thing I can think of. Alright, so for young makers, I think the best way to learn how to do different things and use different tools is to pick a project that you really like, something that you don't have access to, that you really want, and you will be motivated to learn everything you need to learn to get that thing done because you care about it.